Okay, today we're repairing a Galaxy 5. We're going to attempt a glass repair on here. This phone has been repaired before, so I told the customer we might have to replace the LCD, so not too sure which way we're going to go with this repair today. My name is Dustin with TechMD. That's www.tech-md.com. If you want to become a tech, we're growing rapidly and you can join our team. These videos, the whole point of the videos is to show techs on how to do the repairs, how difficult they are, and to gauge if they want to do this type of repair or not. Also, you know, for at-homers who want to attempt to do this, this is a very expensive repair to do with glass repair. You need well over $100 in equipment just to do it because you need a bonding station and glue and glass and the heat gun. I have a Wagner heat gun with a pointed tip I found at Home Depot. I'm running at 950 degrees. I'm getting it hot to the touch here. We're going to use an eye opener tool modified where I moved the plastic piece halfway down and I used hockey tape to tape it up. Works really great. Get nice and hot. Get our tool in here and see if it starts separating. If it doesn't, then we know that it's not one of those phones. Yeah, so as you can see how I get my tool in here and it's not separating, that is one of those phones that cannot be repaired by conventional means, which is this tool here. So we're going to have to carefully take it apart and attempt to do a different kind of repair with a string. This repair, you either have to have a machine or you have to have a friend to help you out. So be careful not to go through the housing like that. You're going to try to get in between the housing and the glass, the LCD here. This is pretty difficult if it's never been repaired before to get in here. But I'm just going through someone else's repair. Like I said, I don't guarantee this repair if it's been repaired before someone else has repaired it. This button obviously needs to be replaced. So if you come across a display like this and you're talented enough, we can slice it off with malignant wire, which is this stuff right here. Don't ask me how to pronounce it correctly or even how to spell it, but I'll try to put a link in the video here on what it is. Okay, set that aside and we're going to start cutting here in a second. Alright, we're going to try to cut this later. I'm going to go ahead and put a new display on. Can't find any help right now. You have to remove this screw here, because I'm going to put a new home button on there for him. Okay, this one already has adhesive on them. Sometimes they don't, and you have to salvage the adhesive. So I don't have to worry about that on this one. We want to test it before going any further.
Provides targeted compression to the ball, arch, plantar fascia, heel, and ankle for soothing relief. Foot Angel helps you lower your feet, stimulate circulation, and reduce swelling. Lightweight and comfortable, wear them discreetly under socks or hosiery, and with any shoes, sneakers, or boots. Even sleep with Foot Angel and step out of bed with ease. I recommend Foot Angel because
nice.
For relief for my patients suffering with pain. So bad that I had elevated the head. With Foot Angel, I'm now able to walk comfortably, and now I'm able to run again. Actually, it's really messing with my ball. Foot Angel is like compression of the foot. Keep everything in place and pain just seems to disappear. With Foot Angel for any long-distance travel to circulation and reduce swelling, and with machine washing, now get Foot Angel for just $12.99. But what do you call right now and look double the offer free? Just a process anything. And the bonus will also send you the acupressure massage ball. And absolutely free. Enjoy a soothing, energizing foot massage on the tip of your toes to the heels of your feet. And Foot Angel comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's Foot Angel's and the massage ball. And a free copy for just $12.99. Order now. Order.
We gotta slice this display here. I'm gonna take that string right there. Look, pointing at it. Oh. It's really long. Try to start wrapping it around from the bottom. Okay. Now tighten it up with the. There we go. Keep it nice and tight. We're gonna try to get this in the camera's angle, so we're gonna have it. I'm gonna have you scoot closer. Nice and toasty, hot to the touch. Okay, come closer. We're right here. Okay, so we're gonna start slicing. Let's start on the bottom here, wherever I can enter. Make sure you angle towards the top of the glass and not the bottom of the LCD. It's going to be really hot to touch, so if you have a second glove, use it. Really hot to touch. Really glued on. String just broke, so I have to start again. Do you know where the other glove is? I don't know where the other glove is. This thing is burning hot. More. Okay. Probably get the old stuff off.
I said, why didn't you tell me once, Steve? And you're your teacher, why didn't you ever tell me? But
Really?
he just looked at me and he said, who is
The string keeps on breaking over and over again. Golly, such a pain in the ass. Okay, tighten it up. Tighten it. I lost it. I can't feel very much. There we go. That's better. Suck a little bit. I miss my old gloves. Slowly slipping. Come back here. I can't get it. Just a tiny little bit more. Maybe. We'll see here. It's kind of cool. It's ridiculous. It's known as OCA tape. Okay, need one more slice. Gosh damn, man. might be there. Hold on. We're there. Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's see if it works afterwards. That's the question. No. Screen didn't. I don't think it's gonna survive here. See these refurbished ones, and they're refurbished to OCD. They're pretty hard to remove. So we're gonna go back to original. Put a brand new screen in. Yeah.
I believe you just got a phone call from, forget her name down at the...
Seda.
Yeah, say it. Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry, yeah.
Yeah, no problem.
Send me
The
on down.
Galaxy 6, right?
The iPhone 6.
Well, iPhone 6.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
She,
Yeah.
yeah, cracked screen, and last night I decided to do all these crazy colors on me in my pocket, so...
Okay. Yeah, that's if it's doing crazy colors, then it's the extra 20 for
Okay,
that
yeah,
one.
no, that's fine. I assumed. Yeah, she's... You know about the crazy colors, right?
Yeah. Have a seat though. It won't take very long. I just gotta finish up this repair here.
You're alright, man. Appreciate you getting me in, dude.
Yep, no problem.
That's awesome. I'm dying all day without this.
I'm surprised you lasted all day.
It's been a bunch of running around. I mean, Sprint, they won't give me a new phone. They won't take care of me. They just won't do anything for me. And the T-Mobile, I was like, look, I'm over it. I'm over it. If you know someone that can fix it, I'll switch to you guys.
Nice.
Took a phone call. I was like, sold.
You reached the right person, huh?
Yeah, sold, done. Let's do it.
Yeah, carriers can be funny that way, let's just say.
I couldn't believe it. It's like, oh, whatever, man.
I'm working on them, trying to get in all the stores so that way they can,
Yeah.
but it's a lot of work to get in the stores.
From what I've heard, it is. Yeah, I mean, it takes the right people to know.
And plus, some of them might be already recommending other places, and you have to
Yeah.
overtake that. repairing this Galaxy 5, and then this iPhone 6 is all water damaged. Trying to get her back, or him back up and running.
Really?
Yep. Sundays are always my most interesting days. Usually most people are desperate,
Yeah. Right.
and
right.
it's good for me because this is Utah, and I'm not, Mormon or anything like
Yeah,
that.
so you
So
got time on a Sunday to do it.
exactly. Although I like to have it as my day off, but it just hasn't been ending up like that
Yeah.
ever.
Sounds like the moneymaker day.
Yeah.
There's those one days. It's the days you don't want to be too.
Well, it's the day that no one wants to, but people, they run their lives on their phones, and I got to get them up and running.
Yep, exactly.
If it wasn't for me, there would be no one open on Sunday.
There's not a single person. I've been looking all day. I'm lucky I went into that shop and talked to the right person.
All you had to do was type in iPhone repair in Google, and you would have found me.
Really?
Number one.
No kidding.
That's it. That's all it would have took.
I need to start doing a little more research. I need to start looking.
Yep.
It's crazy. Number one, huh? That's good. That says a lot.
Yep. I try to be number one every time. Not all the keywords, but I'm close to it.
Yeah.
Alright. And I'm not talking to myself, I'm actually talking to this camera. And that's the Galaxy 5. Again, if you want to become a tech, go to our website, www.tech-md.com, and check it out. It's pretty awesome being a tech. You want to put this under pressure for 2 hours to ensure good seal, I tell customers. Like flat down on glass and 10 pounds of weight, and that'll ensure a good seal after 2 hours. Thank you.